back to my channel, Candy Perler Fairy. So today I'm just gonna doing the part 2 of this cute little 3D pillar Sailor Moon. So we're gonna do the Sailor Moon part today. If you haven't done this part that I did last week, please go check it out so you will make both of these today. So alright, let's get started. Yay!
If you haven't subscribed my channel, please do so by clicking the button and hit the bell so you will get alert for new videos. Alright, so let's get started with building Sailor Moon's head. Okay, alright, so as you can see, this is gonna be the centerpiece. Okay, so these two are going to be the first sides. So this one going to the back is gonna be like this. As you can see, it goes in this way. And then so this one, as you can see, this one is a little bit different from the top. This one doesn't have that going out. So this is gonna pop onto here. Just like so. Okay, so this one is going to the back. So just like so, this way. Alright, so we built the cube already. Let's go from the bottom to finish from the bottom. So this one goes right here. As you can see, the skin color. And then take it slow if you're doing with the mini bee. But if you're doing with the big bee, so that should be fine. Okay, so now we got the two sides to close it up. So it's gonna be these two pieces right here. So the longer edge is pointing to the back, just like so, and then the other side. Did I just break a beat? I did, but that's okay. Now you can't see. All right, so this one is gonna pop to the back. Yay! So we got the cube ready. And then now I'm gonna go with the hair. So we have to slide in the hair first. As you can see, we got two of these. So one is gonna go to the front, oops. And then one is gonna go to the back. So simply put it on here, the first piece, and then the second piece, and then the last piece. Yep. Take your time to stack it up so they're lined up. And then this one is gonna stabilize them. So going this way. Yay! Oh, and also these three the longer one has to be facing the front because we're gonna insert the hair in the front, the bangs. And then this one we're gonna close it onto the top. Just like so. Now going here, as you can see, we have a little bit right here. This is the connector for the front bangs right here. Yeah, so because it's kind of loose, I usually add like the glue, the hot glue on the back, so it will stabilize it and then simply pop onto the top. Yay, we got the Sailor Moon head. Isn't she cute? All right, let's move on.
Please like, comment, and share. Thank you.
Alright, so building the body part is pretty easy as I can line up the pieces in order already. So this is from the front, this is from the back. Okay, so this is gonna be the connector for the bottom connector. So it's gonna go this way in. Well, actually, I like this side better. Okay, so it's up to you. But I always like to find the side that fit the other pieces better. Okay, so this is gonna be the second piece. Just like so. And then this one is gonna be this piece right here. Oh, how come I didn't put them in order? Okay, so and then this one's gonna go here. And as you can see, we also have to put in the connector right here. So it's gonna go this way, all the way in. No. Okay, so let's pull this back in. Oops. Let's see, try. Because I should have followed the color. So this color should go here. Okay, all the way in. And then this one goes here. And then we got one more right here. Yay, we got it done. And then we got this little white piece right here, so tiny. And then it's gonna be right here so that I can add the bolt to the top. And then this one I also add like glue, hot glue to stabilize it. Yep. Yeah, you can see it's kind of loose, so I have to add the glue, hot glue, and then so now we'll bring it back to head right here, and then simply just add it to the bottom. Yay, we got it done. All right, so if you already made this one right here, now I'm gonna show you how to add this cutie onto this heart-shaped one. Alright, so this part is pretty easy. As you can see right here, we've got the slot for the feet, but it depends on how your pieces were ironed. Let me just remove these first because they're kind of loose. I'm gonna add it back on later. So just simply go from the front and then just, or you can take this one out and then connect it to the bottom first. Yep, just like so, and then add it to here from the front to go in. So pull a little bit and then yep, add it back so you can kind of cover the red part. And then there we go. And then I usually just add some glue so it can stabilize it. And then now I'm gonna add those pieces back. And then this one to the top. Yay, we got it done. Just add those glues so it can stabilize. You got this cutie. All right, so tag me on Instagram for a special shout out. I'll see you guys next time. Bye.
Thank you so much for watching my video, and don't forget to subscribe my channel, like, comment, and share. Thank you.